Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atineke. So today I'm going to share with you all how I blend this lovely DIY customized color using expression braiding hair to customize my own braiding hair color. So I'll be using color 350, then I'll be using darling expression in color Sliver. Now what you are seeing me doing, just picking the hair. I love doing this method, me picking the hair, to be very easy for me to blend the hair together. So after I'm done picking the hair, I'm going to brush it down, then we'll start blending the hair. I'm going to be showing you two methods, easy way you can use to customize your own braiding hair. The second method I'll be showing you towards the end of the video, because I was almost done blending all the remaining hair off camera before I got the idea. So I tried to add the clip towards the end of the video to show you guys. So now you can see what I'm doing, picking a little bit of the Sliver color, then picking a little bit of the 350 color. You have to keep doing that till you already gotten what you want to achieve. But I'll be showing you the second method. It's kind of easier for me than this, so I'll allow you guys to judge. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. And please guys, do not forget to turn on the notification bell, subscribe, stop picking through from the window seats. Can you please click on the subscribe button? I'm waiting for you to turn on your notification bell. Yeah, turn it on, sis. I really appreciate that so much. So you can see what I'm doing. I keep blending. This is what you'll be doing, picking a little bit of the two color. My next video, I will try to achieve 3 color with it. Not the next video, as in I'll make another like 3 hair color video, and let me see what it will look like. I've never done 3 color before. It's only 2 color I usually do. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. I really love the outcome of this hair color so much. I really love the outcome so much. You can see we're already getting close, little by little. We're already getting close to the color. Keep on watching. is the second method I'm trying to show you. You are going to drag it. Don't worry, the hair won't scatter. You have to hold it very from the roots, then you drag it, then you keep doing that. This is very fast and easy. You keep doing that, you keep dragging it like that. So this is the second method I want to show you guys. You keep dragging like that till you blend it perfectly fine. Now can you see the final? Can you see the before? And I really love the colors, and I don't even know what I'm going to use this expression to make. I'm convinced maybe I should use it to make a crochet hair or braided hair, but it will be more beautiful in achieving it with a crochet hair, straight crochet hair. So watch out for that. Can you see the final look? Oh my god, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, see my next video. Stay blessed, child. Love you. Mwah. Subscribe also.